Hi, Shayna. How you doing? What's new? Oh, hi, Mary. Everything okay? You look a little tired. Yeah, well, I just, ate a whole lot of cake. Oh, my goodness. You ate all that cake? Yeah, I was really hungry and it was so yummy and I couldn't stop. Oh, my. Your belly might hurt after that one. Yeah, I think it hurts already. Well, okay. I know it was yummy. Hey, that's a real cute bear you have there. Oh, can I take a look? No! Go away! Don't touch my bear! Oh my goodness. Oh, Shayna. Yeah, don't touch my bear. She's mine. Oh. You know, Shayna, you didn't have to yell. That really kind of hurt my feelings. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Mary. You're right. Yeah. I'm sorry. You know what? It's because my belly hurts and I'm just not feeling so good. Of course you can touch my bear. Well, thanks. Now I understand why you yelled. I mean, things like that happen sometimes when you get nervous. Yeah, you know what? What? I'm gonna make a promise. A promise? What kind of promise? I'm never gonna yell again. Really? Yeah, and I'll make another promise. 2 promises? Yeah. My second promise is I'm never gonna eat cake again. Oh. Shayna, do you think that's a wise thing to say? Yeah, my belly hurts so much I never want to eat cake again. And I feel so bad for when I yelled at you that I'm never going to yell again. I don't know, Mary, Shayna, if that's like the right thing to do. Well, Mary, that's how I feel. So please just let me do it. Well, okay. That cake does look pretty yummy. You mind if I have a piece? Yeah, take the whole thing. Well, I don't think I want the whole thing, but... Hi, Shayna. Hi, Uncle Shmuli. Hi, baby Gershie. What's going on over here?
Welcome. We're so glad to see you. Miri, we thought you would never come. You know, today is baby Gershie's first birthday.
Oh, a birthday. That's so exciting. Isn't that exciting, Miri? Yeah, that's really exciting. Oh, gosh, look at that. Oh, it's gorgeous, Uncle Shmuli.
Yes. We went and bought it from the special bakery. We had it made special for baby Gershie. Let's sing happy birthday. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, baby Gershie. You're not a baby anymore because you're 1 year old. Yay! Isn't that exciting? That's so exciting. Isn't that exciting, Shayna?
What's going on?
Hey, Shayna. What's the matter?
I really am so upset.
Why are you upset for baby Gershie's 1 year birthday?
Well, Uncle Shmuli, the other day I was really feeling so bad from eating too much cake.
Uh-huh.
And I said I made a promise, and I promised I would never eat cake again. And now this cake looks so yummy, and I really want it, but I promised. What am I gonna do?
Oh, this is really a problem here. You promised.
Yeah, she promised. I was there, Uncle Shmuli, and she also promised she would never yell again. She made 2 promises.
Ah, this is a problem. What should we do? Let's think about this, okay?
Yeah, let's think about this, okay?
Okay, everybody, gather around. Let me tell you something. And it has to do with this week's Parsha. This week's Parsha is a double Parsha. It's called Matos Masai. And in Parshas Matos, we learn not to make promises.
Really, Uncle Shmuli?
Yes, really. We learn that it's better not to make a promise. And do you know why?
Why, Uncle Shmuli?
It's because we can't always keep our promises. Look at what Shana said. She said she would never eat cake again. And she promised it. And do you think that that's a good promise?
Well, no, I actually don't think it's a good. Neither do I. We both don't.
That's right. It's too hard to keep. It's not necessary to promise something like that. And also, Shana, you said you promised you would never yell again. Is that true?
Well, yeah, I don't want to yell again. I didn't like when I yelled. Yeah, and it did hurt my feelings.
Yes, girls, of course. We try not to do those things, but we should not promise things we cannot keep. It's too hard and it's not good. That Hashem doesn't like it when we break our promise.
So what should we do then, Uncle Shmuli? Should we just I don't understand what we should do.
Well, what do you think you could do? Think about it, girls.
Well, maybe I could have said, I'm going to try not to eat so much cake again. And maybe I could say, I'm going to try my best not to scream like that again.
Very good, Shana. You're absolutely right. We could say, I will try. And we also say very, very important words. We say, bli neder. Do you know what bli neder means?
Not really.
Bli neder means it's not a promise. It means I'm not making a promise, Hashem. I'm going to say I'm going to try my best, but it's not a promise.
Oh, so that's the thing. Instead of promising and something that we can't keep, we should say, bli neder, like, bli neder, I'm not going to eat cake again.
Well, even that is too hard because you will eat cake again. Maybe bli neder, I won't eat so much cake. And then it's not a promise, but we're going to try to do our best.
I got it. Yeah, me too. Thanks, Uncle Shmuli. Now I feel better, but what about my promise? I can never eat cake because I didn't do this.
Wait a minute. Wait just a minute. How old are you?
Well, I'm 5. Yeah, we're both 5.
So you know what? Because you're under bat mitzvah, you're only 5, then it doesn't hold. It doesn't hold as a promise. So you actually are learning. This is called learning time. And until your bat mitzvah, you can't really promise something to Hashem, but you must start doing the right thing from now. So no more promises. You say, bli neder, you will do your best. And right now you are allowed to eat cake and to enjoy yourself.
Oh, thanks, Uncle Shmuli. I really appreciate it. Yeah, me too. I learned so much.
And even baby Gershi was listening, right?
There you go. Yeah.
Okay, look what we have here. We have cake. We have a tofuti cutie. And we have chocolate Grammys for everybody. Happy birthday, Yom Holadet Sameach.